Hello, I'm Elizabeth Sobol, President and CEO of the Saratoga Performing Arts Center. When I think about Beethoven, I think about the Ode to Joy, the Ninth Symphony of Beethoven. And one has to remember that Beethoven wrote that symphony when he was completely deaf. Imagine that. First of all, being completely deaf is something most of us can't even imagine. We do know that Beethoven went through tremendous suffering as he was going deaf. He actually even contemplated ending his own life. But thanks for all of us, for all of our good, he did not do that, and he went on to compose some of the greatest works known to man. And so the incredible thing about Beethoven is how he plumbed the depths of his own suffering, the suffering of mankind, but also scaled those magnificent heights of inspiration and joy. And these are things that we all need now to be able to feel linked, interconnected by our own humanity. And there's nothing greater to connect us one with the other through humanity than great art. And in great art, there's no greater pinnacle than Beethoven. We are so thrilled to welcome you to this virtual Beethoven 2020 festival. And it's come together through the work of our incredible team here at SPAC, as well as partners like Philadelphia Orchestra, Chamber Music Society of Lincoln Center, Cafe Lena, Opera Saratoga, and Saratoga Shakespeare. Thank you, everyone.